welcome back to my channel. Today I have a design team project that's been part of a series to show y'all in Etsy shop share. And these two are the ones I'm going to be showing y'all. They're both going to be in my Etsy shop. But first I'm going to show y'all the finished cupcake doily that I did as a design team project for Ooh La La Vintage Treasures. Now I know that y'all are waiting on a part for me to cram and stuff and layer. And I did it. I did the video, and unfortunately I relied on my backup for it to be backed up. My videos, I have them automatically going to this certain file after I get done, and then that's where I pull the videos from in order to make the video. Well, I cleaned out my my storage today from my phone, which is where I record my videos. And so I deleted the videos because they should have been in my backup storage. And then when I went in my backup storage, they were not. And I am really upset about that. But I do promise y'all that very soon I will put out a video of me cramming and stuffing and layering and how I go about all that. But that was just, it was really upsetting. All right. So I had to step away from the camera for a minute. My light went completely out and I didn't have another one charged, so I can't remember exactly where I was. But I am going to show y'all this cutie first. Y'all, her Posh pink Christmas storefronts. Adorable. Go check it out. All right, so here is the dangle that I made for a side, off to the side. And I did tie it together with a little piece of satin ribbon up here. So y'all can see as compared to when I was doing this before, this is, I hate that video was lost. I hate it because I worked so hard on this and I wanted y'all to see the process. It is just stuffed and crammed all sorts of pretty little goodies and so much detail. I hate that. Sorry, Doreen, don't kill me. Or Erica, you were asking to see the process as well. And look at that cute little bell. Anyway, like I said, I will do it again. I will. It's disappointing. Okay. So here's the first snow globe. How cute is that? Over here, got this little embellishment with the little bell and little ribbons, and a little skirt with the hot cocoa. And that image, so pretty. A little bit of netting here, applique. More around here. Y'all did see me do this one on camera. And all I've done to this is I added some pearls down here and I added a little skirt. I didn't feel like anything really more needed or should have been added around the edges of this one. So we have that. I did add this little dangle, little gold and cream little bow and some chandelier pieces. And I've got some sparkly hanging stars here. I think that's adorable. And here, the third snow globe. The snow. Y'all can see it moving around. Tons of applique and sparkles and pearls. Little piece of gold sequins down here. And over here, y'all also saw me do this one on camera. And so the only thing that I added here was I added, did I do this? I think the skirt was already here, but I did add another little piece of skirt here, some flower dangles here, and some pearls and pearl hearts here. And then here is the back. Bunch of the bow from one of the bows from the kit. And I've added a pearl and some rhinestones and layered a bunch of bows onto an iridescent like piece of lace here. So this is the first cupcake doily. I'm trying to decide exactly how to do it. I know I said Etsy shop share, but I really don't want to put them in Etsy. It's going to take extra time. And I will go ahead and take the pictures to be able to put it there. I will tell y'all that. I will go ahead and take the pictures, put it there for just in case. You know, we're getting ready to go on this trip and I have so much to do. If you want this or the other one, email me, text me, let me know, or you know, whatever. And then I won't have to put it in Etsy. Because I know a couple of y'all have been asking for them. And I know, you know, that for some of y'all, it's the perfect time of year to splurge and to get yourself something or even get it as a gift. And for others, you're like, that would have to wait. So, you know, I get it. But if you want this or the other one, you know, let me know. I don't know if I'm able to hold off putting it on Etsy because of the amount of time that I have. But anyway, if you are interested, just do let me know. All right, on to the next one. I thought I had decided, yes, definitely putting them on Etsy. It takes a while, you know, to make a listing and to edit the photos and everything. And you'd only have so much time to even put them on there before I have to take them down because I'm going on a trip. I don't know. Anyway, y'all look at that. Oh my goodness. So much pretty. So much pretty. And here I have done my jump ring like I normally do. Just decided to do a little bit different on the other one. Got my dangle with a bunch of pretties hanging off. Little pearly blinky piece. And here is the front of that one. Oh, got a piece of... No, do not want... There we go. Move that piece of glue from there. Glue string. All right, here's this page. Got some pretty little dangles there. This is not part of a design team project. My other was. This is not. Got a little skirt here. Got a pretty blingy heart. A little tulle tied there. I think that is just so cute. I like that. And over here, just there's tons of layering on both. Look how cute little dangle is. And then on this side is a rose applique with a bunch of layering. And over here, got another cute little image of an elephant. And more layering. Snippet piece. Another dangle. Excuse me. More applique and layering over here, and I just love this page. Love it. This is where the cascading beads are, and I've just got tons here of just layered appliques. Just a ton. And then the final is the blingy back. All right, I love both of them. They are completely different. One is very winter oriented. The other is very vintage, Victorian oriented. This one is 5 panels. This one is 3 panels. And yeah, so if you're interested in either one of them, let me know. Otherwise, I do think I'm just going to put them on Etsy. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.